nature is the source of life. It gives us air, water, and light. It fills our hearts with joy and peace. It makes us feel alive and free. Oh nature, you are so beautiful and pure. Oh nature, you are the gift that we adore. Nature is the home of all. It shelters animals big and small. It shows us colors, shapes, and sounds. It makes us wander all around. Oh nature, you are so beautiful and pure. Oh nature, you are the gift that we adore. Nature is the teacher of wisdom. It teaches us to love and care. It inspires us to create and share. It makes us better every day. Oh nature, how beautiful and pure you are. Your gift